Hello everyone, let's start with the series Roadmap to Become Competitive Programmer 5 Star. So in this video I'll be explaining you the problem small factorial. So they're asking write a program to find the factorial value of any number entered by the user. Okay, so yeah, I'll be telling you, don't worry. So first line contain integer t denoting number of test cases. For this also we have test case, so let us write logic for the test case. So I think from 70 videos I'm doing same thing, so I think you guys are getting. So yeah, for every test case, what happened? For every test case, um, what we have is we have integer n. For n, we'll have to find the factorial of a number. And in the constant, if you see, n is basically from 0 to 20. So at max, like if you try to find the 20 factorial, that will be some uh, 10 power 18 value. So it will be in range of long, not in integer. In integer, it will overflow. So let me try to take some of the examples and explain you. So we'll have to find the factorial of a number. I think you guys know factorial, but still I'll be telling you. Sorry, my bad, I did not clean my board. So factorial we'll have to find. So in mathematics, how do you find factorial? So it is denoted this n factorial, which is given as n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 up to so on into 3 into 2 into 1. So what is this? Let's take n is equal to 3. So let's try to find the 3 factorial. So 3 factorial is basically 3 factorial. In place of n, try to replace 3. So it is 3 into 3 minus 1, which is 2, into 3 minus 2, which is 1. So whenever you get 1, so at the end we have C 3 to 1. Like whenever you get 1, you will have to stop it. So if you try to multiply now, it is 36 into 1 is 6. So this is the value of the factorial. Let's say n is 4. So how do you find? 4 can be written as 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Basically you will have to start with that number, decrease one number each time, and you will have to go until 1. And its value is 12 into 2, 24 into 1 is 24. Let's try to find the n is equal to 5, factorial of a 5 number. So how we will find it? 5 factorial is basically you will start with 5, decrease 1, decrease 1, decrease 1 till 1. So it's like 5 4 are 20 into 360 into 2, 120. So this is the factorial of 5. So now program how do we write it? So I think you guys got what is factorial of a number. So at max n can be 20, right? At max n is 20. And one more thing, 1 factorial if you try to find, that will be 1 only, because it is ending at 1. Like 0 factorial is also 1. In mathematics we treat it this way only. And let me see in constant. Okay, it starts from 0, so whenever 0 is there, its factorial is 1. This one I think we'll have to understand the proof from the mathematics why 0 factorial is 1, but ideally it is treated as 1. If you try to put in this formula, you won't get like when 0 factorial means you don't have any number, and you don't have any number uh, with the multiplication which is treated as 1. You can think of this way. So when n is 20, so its factorial range will be up to 10 to the power 18. So our integer holds up to 10 power 10 integer, and long will hold up till 10 power 18. So in order to find the factorial, we will be using data type of long. So basically we'll have to run one loop which runs from, let's say, your n given. So this n, let's take while loop. Okay, till this n is greater than 0, you will take one answer variable whose type is of long, which will be initialized to 1, because when n is 0 it will not into the loop, but we know 0 factorial is 1. That's why at the end you will have to output, you'll have to print this answer, right? Answer or factorial, whatever you can say. So it will be 1 only, 0 factorial is 1. When n is 1, it will enter into the loop. Now your answer will be multiplied by this n, and n will be decreased by 1. N is equal to n minus 1. So yeah, when you come out of the loop, you have the factorial ready. So let's try to code it up. So we have n, we'll take one long, let me call this fact, not answer, and which will be initialized to 1 while we have n. So factorial will be multiplied with n and will be decreased by 1 according to the mathematical definition of factorial, and at the end we'll have to print this fact. Let's try to run it. We should be getting 6, 24, 120. Yeah, we are getting. Let's try to submit it. So yeah, it got accepted. What if you use int here? If you use int here, so some of the hidden test cases will not pass, because when you multiply large number, integer range is overflowing. So in that case, you'll get some weird values. That's why. So yeah, thank you guys for watching the video.